Hello everyone, welcome to my classroom. My name is Mrs. Tuano. You can also call me Teacher Tinitin if you'd like to. I will be your teacher for English 9 for this school year. English 9 Quarter 1 has the theme Enhancing the Self. And for Lesson 1, we're going to focus on modals expressing permission, obligation, and prohibition, or as I call them, the POP modals. Let's uncover the objectives that you need to learn for this lesson. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to express permission, obligation, and prohibition. To be able to achieve it, the following objectives would help. Identify what modals are. Differentiate modals that expresses permission, obligation, and prohibition, or POP, and use POP modals in meaningful sentences. So I know a lot of you are asking yourself, what are modals? To understand it, let's identify what it is. Read the comic strip that will be shown and answer the questions that follow. Take note of the expressions used in the conversation. Where are you going? You must not go out at this time. I'm sorry, sir, but I have to buy some ingredients for the cookies that I'll be making tomorrow. You can buy your ingredients tomorrow. Anyway, the stores are already closed. Okay, sir. Thank you. Let's study the sentences below that were used in the comic strip. Then answer the questions that follow. You must not go out at this time. I have to buy ingredients for the cookies that I'll be making. You can buy your ingredients tomorrow. What sentence expresses permission? What sentence expresses obligation? What sentence expresses prohibition? What words help you identify what these sentences express? And what do we call these words? For number 1, if you answered the sentence that express permission is the last sentence, then you are right. This sentence is a sentence that expresses permission. For number 2, the sentence that expresses obligation, you answered the second sentence, then you are right again. And for the sentence that expresses prohibition, you said the first sentence, you are on the right track. Now let's go to the words that help you identify what these words or the sentences express. For number 1, the sentence of permission, you say can buy, then it is correct. Can buy expresses a permission. If for the second obligation, you said have to buy, then again you are right. When you say have to buy, you are obliged or you need to do something. And if you said must not go out, then it is correct. Must not go out tells us that we are not allowed to do something. So what do we call these words? We call these words as modals. So modals or modal verbs are auxiliary verbs that help express the feeling or intention of the speaker or writer. There are different types of modals and when to use it. There are modals to express possibility, permission, prohibition, and obligation. In this lesson, we will only focus on the 3 expressions: permission, obligation, and prohibition. Or again, as we call it, the POP. Now, you are ready to go to our next lesson. Let's go over these modals one by one. Hope to see you in my next lesson. Bye!